In simple terms, research means finding out more about something by looking at books, websites, and other sources. It helps us understanding things better and solves by gathering information, studying it carefully. As a theory, if you ask me, research involves exploring topics deeply to learn new things and contribute to what we already know. It involves doing experiments, surveys, interviews to collect information and analyze what we find. Research helps us think critically and understand a complex idea in our field of study. As a scholar, research is the foundation of my academic work. It means investigating topics thoroughly, forming hypotheses, analyzing data to expand our understanding in my area of expertise. So, research demands commitment, creativity, persistence to uncover insights, fill gaps in knowledge, and make meaningful contribution to the academic community. It's a journey of discovery and learning that shapes my identity as a scholar and researcher. This is Afsana. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next. Bye.